Hello viewers, this is Roshmi from Roshmi's Boutique of Kolkata. Today's episode is based on summer special, which is cotton sarees. So without wasting time, let's start. These all are block printed sarees. First I will show you block printed sarees, then stitch embroidered sarees will also be shown. See, pure Bengal cotton saree, palla portion. It will come in the palla. This is palla portion. Pure Bengal cotton material, green color with black block. Here is the view. See, this is the view. Saree number 1. It is a dual tone, green with yellow. See, pure Bengal cotton. All entire saree with this block print. This is black palla portion with black block, and this is the view of the entire saree. Price of this saree is, this is saree number 1, price is 1400. Price is 1400, pure cotton saree. Even today I am wearing also the same type, same material saree. These all are summer friendly, easy to wear and very much comfortable for regular wear. Saree number 2. This is another piece, orange color, light orange, palla portion. It will be the body, and on pleats this design will come. See, this will come on the pleats. This is pleats portion. Okay, this saree is also of 1400. 1400. Here is the view. This is the color. I think, is it clear? Price is 1400. Saree number 2. Saree number 3, a baby pink. This is also 1400. These all are very summer friendly sarees within a budget. You can say this is budget friendly also. A little bit difficult to show all these sarees as those are cotton sarees and polished. See, this is palla portion. This is the palla portion. Here is the palla portion and the entire body. This is baby pink color, baby pink with this block. See, here is the view of the entire saree, palla portion. This is also 1400. Next one, another orange. This is yellowish orange. This is half concept, so I have to show you the saree entirely. Palla portion. It will come in the palla, then in the front. This is the front portion. This is the front portion. This is palla portion, and the rest half. And the rest half will be like this. From the beginning of the saree, this is half concept. From the beginning of the saree, it will be like this, and the rest half again with this block. Price is same, 1400. Shipping is absolutely free. We deliver pan India through courier, and there is no extra shipping charges. Saree number 5. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. This is yellow, pure yellow with red and green. Here is the palla. These all are pure cotton sarees, Bengal Tat. You can say Bengal Tat, very comfortable, and all are of pure cotton. See, this is the view. Saree number 5 with the geometrical palla. This is palla portion, and the entire saree with this. This is yellow with red and green. Price same, 1400. 1400 is the price. These all are pure cotton material, cotton block for regular use. Now saree number 6. Saree number 6, price of this saree is 1500. I will show you why it is 1500. See, there is a velvet border This is the velvet border, green color velvet border is there. This is also Bengal Tant with this border, and the entire sari is very eye soothing. See, with dark green and light green. Palla portion, price is 1500, sari number 6, and see, this is the best color, white with green, light green and dark green, with a velvet border, price 1500. Price 1500. Another one, similar type. This is sari number 7. The color of this border is violet, light violet color. Palla portion. Palla portion, and here is the body. See, this is the body with black and violet. Palla portion. This is also 1500, and there is a border. See, this is a velvet border, pure cotton material with velvet border, and this is the view of the entire sari. Price 1500. For booking, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. After that, I will send you the sari through courier, and shipping charges is absolutely free all over India. See, this is a black color sari. Palla portion. Black color sari, palla portion. It is very much like a silk print. See the view. See the view. These all are washable. At home wash you can do home wash also, but not machine wash. I repeat, you cannot put all these sarees in the washing machine. Hand wash is okay. Black sari with white block. This is palla portion. Price of this sari is, I think it is also 1400. Let me check just at once. Yes, it is 1500. This is 1500. Now, sari number 9. Another cotton sari. These all are cotton material, very comfortable for summer wear and regular wear also, with a friendly budget. Palla portion. See, this is palla portion with the black geometric, and the entire sari with this border, silver border and checks, white with black checks, and these are the blocks, hand blocks. This is the view of the entire sari. This is the view. This is palla portion. This is sari number 9, and price is 1600. 1600. Similar type, I will show you another one. Base color is white. This is sari number 10. Similar type. It was black. This is red, white and red combination. Palla portion. Another geometric palla. These all are very eye soothing and sober looking. See, this is a silver border, and there is a light red color piping. See, this is the view of the entire sari, palla portion. Price is same, 1600. This price varies just due to the material. All are cotton, but there is difference in the material. Again, sari number 11 with jodi checks. The price of this sari is also 1600. This is grey color. This design will go diagonally. See, very corporate look. See, this is the view. Price is 1600. These all are Bengal Tant, pure Bengal cotton Tant, on which we have done the block print. This is grey color with zari checks and black block print. Sari number 11, 1600. These all are single pieces, so if you want to book, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384. You can mention the sari number, otherwise you have to put the take a screenshot and send it back to me. Sari number 12, another cotton, but these are hand embroidery. See, palla portion. These all are Gujarati stitch with very less mirror. I think no, there is no mirror also. This one is without mirror, Gujarati stitch, and the material is Bengal cotton. See, this is checks cotton. Material is very soft, very good quality. See, and there is a border. There is a border, printed border, and I will provide you a printed blouse piece also. See, this is the entire sari. This will be the entire sari, and this Gujarati border is all over the sari, and the price is 2850. I will show you. See, this is the beginning of the sari. All over the sari, the butta is of similar volume. Price is 2850 with blouse piece. Next one, sari number 13, similar type. I will show you similar type with different color combination. See, this is light green color palla portion, and the entire body. Just have a look on this with the blouse piece. Just have a look. Price is 2850. Material is pure Bengal cotton with border and Gujarati stitch, and there is no mirror, no mica. See, color is light green. Price 2850. Let's move to the next sari. Sari number 14, another one. And this is also very soft color. It is very difficult to explain, but you can say it is light biscuit color. Palla portion. See, in each and every sari is having a border, printed border, and the blouse piece is similar to this. Here is a view. Just have a look, just check. This is the sari. And the blouse piece of this sari, I will show you the blouse piece also. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with the work. Price 2850. These all are pure Bengal cotton. Next one, sari number 15. These all are of similar type. I am just giving you the variety so that you can choose. So many colors are there, but all are cotton sari, pure cotton saris, palla portion. And here is the body. See, this is the body and this is the blouse piece. This is the view, entire view. Price 2850. This is the entire view of the sari. Entire sari with the same volume of work. I will show you. This is the beginning of the sari. See the work. The entire sari with the similar volume of work. All the saris are having butta with a printed border and palla. Here comes sari number 16. Sari number 16, pasta green color, palla portion. See the work. These all are Gujarati work, but these all the Gujarati work has been done from Shantiniketan. So these are very neat and clean. See. Here is the view. See the entire view. This sari is also having a blouse piece. See. You can use this blouse piece with some other sari also. The color of this sari is pista green. Price 2850. Sari number 16. This is sari number 16. Sari number 17. This sari is with kantha work. See, palla portion, and the entire sari with the kantha work. See the kantha work. These all are the kantha work, and this is the border palla. This is sari number 17. Sari number 17, 2850. Here is the view. This is the entire view. These all are kantha work. 2850. Sari number 17. This is pink color, light pink. Now sari number 18. Another beige color with orange combination. I am giving you so many variety color so that it is easier for you to choose. Palla portion, beige color with orange. Beige color with orange. See the entire sari, and the main thing, this taat is of very good quality and very nice to see. See, this is the, and here is the blouse piece. Sari number 18. Price 2850. 2850. For booking you can call or WhatsApp 933-0866-384. We deliver pan India through courier and shipping charges is free. This is a pastel shade with multicolored buta. Palla portion. Palla portion. Here is the body. Here is the body, and this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price 2850. 2850. These all are Bengal cotton, pure Bengal cotton. Very soft material and ideal for summer. Sari number 20. This is sari number 20. Here is the palla portion. These all are the buta. Palla portion with this blouse piece. With this blouse piece. See, this is the view of the sari. Price 2850. 2850. This is also very soft color. Next one, onion pink with kantha stitch, with kantha buta and with a border. I will show you the palla first. Just a minute. See, here is the palla. This is kantha stitch, and this is the border, and the entire sari with the similar volume of buta. See the buta. This is palla, and here is the blouse piece. See the blouse piece. It has got a contrast blouse. See, this is the view. Price similar, 2850. Last sari of today's episode. This is 2500. I will show you the sari. This is also with the kantha work. Aanchal portion. From aanchal, half sari will be with this border. See, this border will go till the back of the sari, and the lower border with this piping, tricolor piping are there, and this is the upper border. Here is the palla, and the price of this sari is 2500. 2500. This is the last sari. These all are cotton material, pure cotton material. You can book, if you want, you can book my sari also. This is also a cotton block print with the price of rupees 1400. Viewers, I have shown you all cotton sarees. If you like, please share with your friends, relatives and subscribe, and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. My contact number and calling number, WhatsApp number is same, 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier. Courier charges is absolutely free. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. Thank you.